Hello, I'm Serene Hah from OrangeTee AAG Division. I have a 4-room HDB in the heart of Bishan to show you. If you are someone who loves to have many amenities nearby and yet able to enjoy peaceful and full of greenery view, you have to take a look at this unit. Let's go! Located on a low floor which is good for exercise, faster than taking lifts, and there is no waiting time for the lifts. It is manageable for the very young and for the seniors too. You get to enjoy the beautiful garden view and the fresh air at eye level while enjoying drinking coffee. This unit has 3 bedrooms and it is standing at 983 square feet inside or 83 square meters. Take a look at these spacious and cozy living and dining areas where you can have a family gathering and eat while enjoying shows with your loved ones. In the master bedroom, you can even have your child to sleep with you in the same room, while you can still have space at the corner for working from home with ample storage spaces in the room. With the built-in and making use of the vertical spaces, you can still have a lot of storage spaces and yet you can still feel the spaciousness. Moreover, all the air cons have just been changed this year February, including the pipes, and still have the 5 years warranty. Welcome to the kitchen. This kitchen has built-in cabinetries with very efficient layout for all your cooking needs and a separate yard for your laundry. If you are keen to explore more of the unit, please call me for an exclusive viewing. Once again, I'm Serene Hah from OrangeTee AAG. Hope to see you soon.
AAG, the #1 top division in orange tea and Thai.